these are the enumerations of the 10 basic international human rights for law enforcement. Then after, I will briefly discuss each standard with examples. For standard 1, equal protection. Standard 2, respectful treatment. Standard 3, use of force. Standard 4, prevention of torture or cruel treatment. Standard 5, lethal force. Standard 6, arresting of person on legal grounds. Standard 7, detainees' right. Standard 8, humane treatment for detainees. Standard 9, refusal to obey unjust order. Then standard 10, reporting of violation. For standard 1, means that law enforcement officers shall treat all persons fairly regardless of their status or position. For example, a poor street vendor and a rich businessman shall both receive equal protection of the law if they are victims of the crime of theft. Then for standard 2, respectful treatment, officers shall treat all persons with dignity and respect even though they are detainees or a suspect. For example, when conducting an arrest, officer should avoid insulting or degrading language. Standard 3, use of force. Officer should employ necessary and proportionate force in performing their duties. For example, when conducting an arrest and the person arresting resists mildly, they must employ minimal force. For standard 4, provision of torture or cruel treatment, no one should be subjected to torture, cruel, inhumane or degrading punishment. For example, forcing a suspect or a detainee to confess through physical or psychological torture is prohibited. For standard 5, lethal force. Deadly weapon shall be used as last resort when there is imminent threat or danger to life. For example, a suspect is about to shoot a civilian. In order to stop, lethal force must be employed. For standard 6, arresting of person on legal grounds. The arrest must be based on the law, which is the general rule. Arrest must be done only with a valid and legal search warrant. For example, an officer shall not arrest someone or a person because of personal grudge. Then standard 7, detainees' right. Arrested or detainees individual have the right to know the reason of the arrest and to call a lawyer and to communicate to their families. For example, detainees have the right to know the charges and to call for a counsel. Standard 8, humane treatment for detainees. Detainees shall be provided with proper food, water, medical care, and protection from harm. For example, detainees in custody shall not be kept in overcrowded or filthy cells without proper necessities. Then for standard 9, refusal to obey unjust order. An officer shall refuse an order if it is a violation of human rights or the law. For example, a subordinate ordered by his or her superior to arrest someone without legal grounds or without a valid warrant of arrest, or torture someone to obtain information, he shall refuse to obey that specific order. Then for standard 10, reporting of violation, an officer shall report violations of human rights or violation of the law if violation of human rights or the law they witness. For example, he witnessed, even though standard 10, by reporting of violation, they officer shall report any violation of human rights or the law they witness, even it's their fellow men or fellow policemen. For example, when an officer witness his or her fellow policemen harassing or torturing someone without a valid reason, valid authority, they must report it to the proper authorities or superior things.